everyone, Namaste. My name is Rashmi and welcome to Utsav Yoga channel. Today we are going to do full body flow. So this is going to energize you in every morning and even for the whole day. So let's get on the mat. So we'll start with the prayer. You can sit with the comfortable position. If your spine is not straight, you can use the pillow or cushion under the hip. Keeping your eyes closed, making the spine straight. Relax your shoulder and join your both palm near to the heart center for 3 Om. We'll chant together. Inhale. Now exhale, fold forward. Inhale, slowly come up and slowly open your eyes. Now inhale, keep your both arms above the head, stretch your both arms up, look up to the ceiling. So feel this stretching, tuck the belly in, keep looking up, nice stretch, breathe in, breathe out. Exhale, right hand, right side, left arm line of the neck, look up to the ceiling. So feel your left side of the trunk, you can feel nice stretch. Hold it for a 5 breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, inhale, keeping your both arms above the head, look up to the ceiling. Exhale, left hand, left side, right arm line of the neck, look up to the ceiling and feel the left side of your stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now from here, inhale, keep your both arms above the head, look up. Exhale, twist your body, right palm behind your hip and left palm on the right knee. So look back, keep the spine straight, chest up. 1, 2, opening the shoulder. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now from here, inhale, keeping your again both arms above the head, look up. Exhale, switch the side. So right palm on the left knee, look back. Open your shoulder, spine lengthening. 5 breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, slowly come up, arms above the head, look up. Exhale, lengthening the spine, place the forearm on the floor. If you can't place the forearm, you can stretch your both hand front, but make sure you are keeping your spine completely straight, lengthening and look front. Just feel the stretching on the back. 5, 4, 3, hip should be on the floor. 2 and 1. Side, so stretch the right, both hand right side. Keep the head down, chest down, and feel the nice stretch the side of the hip on the side of the trunk. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly walk to the left. So keep walking it towards the left. Use the fingertip. Exhale, head down, chest down. Stretch your both elbow and hold here. Breathe in, breathe out. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly walk back to the center, keeping your both arms above the head, look up. Exhale, slowly release and relax. Now from here, we'll move to the tabletop position, which is also called cat and cow Marijari Asana. So from here, take a 1 hand distance between both knee, 1 hand front and 1 palm forward. So this would be your body length, keeping your feet flat. So from here, inhale, look up to the ceiling. Squeeze the spine, look up. Breathe in, breathe out. Neck down, arcing the spine up, making the shoulder active. 2, inhale, look up. Squeeze your spine, look up to the ceiling. Exhale, neck down, arcing the spine up. 3. Inhale, look up, squeeze your spine, look up to the ceiling. Exhale, neck down, arcing the spine up. 4. Inhale, look up, squeeze your spine. Exhale, neck down, arcing the spine up. And we'll move one more round. Inhale, look up, squeeze your spine. You can stay here for a few breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, keep squeezing, keep opening the shoulder. 3, 2, 1. Neck down, arcing the spine up, shoulder up. 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, come back to the neutral position. Release and relax. Now walk by your hand, keep your knee and hip, it should be in the one line. So stretch your both hand front and drop your chest and chin on the floor. So here, chest and chin on the floor. Let's suppose if you can't drop the chest, then drop your forehead down, and that's also fine. So you can feel really nice stretch on your upper back. So exhale down. Hold here for a few breaths. 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, keeping your elbow stretch, and 1. Now inhale, slowly walk back to the tabletop. Release and relax. Now from here, stretch your right leg and then left leg. So come back to the plank, keeping your shoulder active, glutes tighten, leg tighten, and look front. So holding here for a few breaths. 5, 4. So tuck your belly in. 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, come back to the downward facing dog. Exhale. Now slowly drop the left knee on the floor and bring the right foot between your palm. Now from here, placing the palm on your trunk, push your hip down. Now inhale, keep your both arms above the head. Look up to the ceiling. Now from here, keep pushing the hip down. Keep your back foot flat, arms above the head, look up. And hold here for a few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, exhale. Place the left palm on the floor. With the inhalation, lift the right hand up. Look up to the ceiling. So if you can't place the left hand, if you have a block, you can use the block under your palm. So place the left palm on the block and stretch the right hand up. So again, keep pushing the hip down and stretch. 1, 2. So you're pushing your pelvis towards the floor. 3, 4, 5. Now exhale, slowly down, release and relax. Now again, come back and place the palm on the trunk, push the hip down. Inhale, lift the left hand up, and exhale, left hand elbow outside of the right knee. Twist the body, make the Namaste Mudra, look back. Open the chest. So once you are comfortable here, tuck your back foot and then keep the knee stretch. So try to keep the pelvis down and look back. 5, back knee straight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Place the palm and slowly take the leg back to the downward dog. Now exhale. Come back to the downward dog. Hold here for few breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Now from here, drop the right knee on the floor and bring your left foot between your palm. Now palm on your trunk, push the hip down. Inhale, keep your both arms above the head. So keep your back foot flat, look up to the ceiling and hold here for a few breaths. Feel the stretching in the hip and the side of your thigh. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now exhale slowly down. Place the right palm on the floor. If you can't place the palm, then you can use the block. Place the block under the palm. Keep pushing the hip down. Inhale, lift the left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly come back. Exhale, release and relax. With the inhalation, palm on your trunk, push the hip down. Inhale, lift the right hand up. Now twist your body. So place the right elbow outside of the left knee. Twist it, make this Namaste Mudra. Open the chest, look back. Once you are comfortable here, tuck your back foot and slightly lift the knee up. So try to keep your knee stretched, hip down, look back, chest open. 1. Make sure you're breathing here too. Balance. 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale, drop the knee on the floor. Place the palm side of the foot and take the leg back to the downward dog. More exhalation. Breathe out. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly walk forward towards your hand. Hold your elbows and just swing yourself left to right to relax yourself. Right to left, left to right, right to left. 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, slowly come back, release and relax. Now stand on the mat, join your both feet together. From here, palm on your trunk. With the inhalation, take the left foot back. So front foot 90 degree, you are going to bend it, and back foot 45 degree angle. So square your hip towards the right. So first, bend the right knee, keep your both arms above the head. Look up to the ceiling, warrior 1. Look up. Push the hip down, back knee stretch. Shifting the whole weight on the back foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, slowly come up, release and relax, and then we'll move to the warrior 2. So keeping your both feet apart, take your right foot out, left foot parallel to the right foot. Now inhale, keep your both hand line off the shoulder, bend the right knee. So push the hip down. From here, your torso should be in the one line, both hand in the one line. Look to the right side and stay here for few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, we'll go to reverse warrior. So exhale. Place your left palm on the left shin bone or knee, wherever you will reach. And then exhale, bend the knee down more, hip down, and stretch the right arm up. Look up to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, keep breathing. 4, and 5. Now inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, release and relax. Now place the palm on the trunk. Again, square your hip to the right side. So with the inhalation, keep your both arms above the head, look up, square your hip, lengthening the spine. Exhale, fold forward. So place the palm side of the foot and bend forward. If you can touch your forehead to the shin, touch it. If you can't touch, that's okay. You can use the block under the palm and keep lengthening the spine. So from here, palm on the trunk, square your hip, and inhale, keep your both arms above the head. Exhale, fold forward. So you can place the palm on the block, look front. So don't hunch the back, try to keep the spine, lengthening it. So look front and hold here for a few breaths. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, inhale, keep your both arms above the head, look up. Exhale. Now turn your foot parallel and then square your hip to the left side. So keep your left foot out, right foot 45 degree angle, left foot out, right foot 45 degree angle. Shifting the whole weight on the back foot. Inhale, keep your both arms above the head. Exhale. So bend your front knee 90 degree and look up. Hold here. So back knee should be straight Hold here 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Keep pushing the hip down. 4 and 5. Now from here, we'll come back to the warrior 2. Keep your back foot parallel to the front foot. Bend your hip down. Left leg 90 degree. Torso should be in the one line. Inhale and look to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now from here we'll move to the reverse warrior. So right palm on the right knee or shin, wherever you will reach, but keep pushing the hip down. Now inhale, arms above the head, left hand up, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, release and relax. Now square your hip to the left side again. So keep your back foot 45 degree angle and left foot straight. So inhale, keep your both arms above the head, look up. Exhale, lengthening the spine. Place the both palm side of the foot. Look front, and then once you are here, you can touch the forehead to the shin. Touch it. Otherwise, it's okay to look front. Inhale. If you can't place the palm on the floor, then use your block under your palm and then place the palm. Keep looking front. Avoid making hunch on the back. Try to keep it always lengthening it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now from here you can remove your blocks. Place the palm against side of your foot and take the leg back to the downward dog. Exhale. Take a few breaths. 1, 2 and 3. Now drop the knee on the floor and we'll go to the child pose. So keep your both knee apart, touch your big toes, sit on the heels and stretch the both hand front. Drop the chest down on the floor and exhale, head down. Stay here for a few breaths. Normalize the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly come back. Now from here only we are moving to the Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Now lie down on your belly side, palm near to the chest, forehead down. Keep your feet wider just to give the nice stretch. You can keep the feet more apart. Now inhale, lift it up, look up to the ceiling. Keep the glutes tight, feet flat. Don't squeeze your shoulder. Roll it and back. Look up. Stay here, few breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Again slowly come back to the child pose. Exhale. Breathe out. 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly come back. Now we'll move to the Savasana. So just let's lie down. So keeping your feet apart, your heels facing each other, palm towards the ceiling. Relax the shoulder, relax your breath and just allow your whole body to enter in deep relaxation. Most important to relax your facial muscles, especially between your eyebrows. Just stay here for a few breaths. And be aware about your breathing. Just cool down, relax. Now slowly take a deep breath in, breathe out. And try to come back to squeeze your fingers, squeeze your toes. Now stretch the both arms above the head, keep your feet pointed. Stretch it completely and slowly come back. So turn left side. So bend the right knee, place the right palm on the left side, exhale, and then press the palm and come back to any meditative posture. So slowly sit with any meditative posture, keeping your eyes closed. We'll chant one time Om. Join your palm. Inhale. Now exhale, fold forward. And slowly come up. You can just rub your palm and place it on your eyes, on the face, and slowly you can open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you for practice with us. If you like the video, do subscribe and share with your friend and family. Thank you so much. Namaste.